Go. This is my dog. His name is Bingo. He's my best friend and my worst enemy. He's my child. And, it's really great to have him here. Just like to hug him. And it's really fun. I'm not making out with you, I just normally don't. And, I got him when I was 6. Now I'm 42. I don't know if he's in my bed. Sometimes this is really happening. Sometimes I see my mother, and I don't know if she's dead or alive because this and so I don't know if I really see him or not, if he's really in my hands. Sometimes I'm but you know, I'm really sad because I don't know what he wants. Come here. Come here. I'm a little bit blind in this eye. Come here. Is that you? Come here. Oh, this one. Come on. So anyway, I'm 47, and I go on YouTube and watch videos of little children that I don't know. And I watch videos of other children, and sometimes I'll talk to them, and they think I'm a clown, but I'm not. And I have this lazy smile that I turn on the ladies, and this one is to the men. And this one is for all you single ladies, put your hands up. Yeah, he's a chill lady, you know, hey,